Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yo, what up, DeMarcus? Yo, good morning, Ali. Good morning, Ray. Oh, getting my day going. Getting jiggy with it. Boom. Man, I hope we're not into some chop again. That's right. What are you in Germany right now, Ray? Hey, good morning, Mick. What up, Sean? Oh, Sean. I almost forgot. How do I do this? What up, Flip? That's cool. When do you come back, or do you stay in there for good? How long are you allowed to stay there? I'm doing good, Mick. Just getting my day going, having my coffee, relaxing. What up, Mo, bro? Oh, you could stay for 6 months? Yo, DeMarcus. Shit's funny. Oh, man. There you go. Work it up, man. I hope it's not a fucking chop fest. I don't even know if we have any data today. Let me see. Let's see if we have any news. What are we looking at on the news front? Fed speaker at 9:20, 9:30. Oh, you have FOMC minutes are out at 2:00. It's usually a nothing burger, to be honest. I'm going to try riding this and see what happens. I want to see if it just fucking all out gives it up today. Something stupid. Not that I know. Actually, one of my friends is. He's in Border Patrol. He's in Customs Border Patrol. And he's an IT guy and works at what is it, World Trade or Freedom Tower? He works there, and basically he's not getting paid, but once it comes back, he'll get back pay. He'll get back pay. By the way, this was the stupidest thing I did last night. So I'll just show you. I make mistakes also. So last night, I put an order to short. Once we hit this level, it was 25.67. Where was that? It was overnight. I don't know. I put the level. I forget why I did it, but I put the level in, and my dumbass forgot to put a take profit in. I forgot to put a TP in, and these have 30% consistency rules, so I could only make not that much money. But I would have put my TP probably somewhere. See it right here. I probably would have put it like at 38. Probably would have been a nice 30 point. Would have been $600. I forgot to put my TP in, and I got smoked. Always remember to put. Yo, what's weird is look at this. I should have had a TP in there because I used the last order here was an ATM. Dude, I have no fucking idea what happened here. I have no idea. Normally, I always have a TP in. I didn't. I don't know what happened. That's dumbassery. Stupid mistakes. So, always make sure you have a TP in and a stop loss, guys. Just throwing it out there. Boom, 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 boom. This does look like it's going to be trending down. Good morning, Marie. Good morning. Good morning. I haven't even looked at it. I haven't even see. This is my morning is usually. I don't normally stream the morning. I thought I kind of like it. I'm just setting up all my shiznick. What's up, AD? That's good. That's very good. That's very good. That's whatever. Just looking to see what's going on. Yo, PayPal just ripping. PayPal be ripping. You heard right. You heard right. I'm starting a paid mentorship right now. Now that I'm in first place, I'm doing paid mentorship, paid Discord, and I'll be taking photos in front of my Lambo with my Rolex. So get ready, guys. Get ready. Oh, I need a paid course too. I need to make a paid course to sell everybody. Yo, if you guys didn't know, I'm sitting in first place in Trade Day's thing. There we go. Look at that. I'm out. Chris. Oh, man. Sitting at the top. Sitting at the top. Listen, just throwing it out there. It's a competition account. Doesn't mean I'm better than anybody on the list. It's just a fun competition. That's all it means. You know what I mean? You know, it doesn't define me or anyone else as a trader if I win, lose, come in first, come in last. You know, it's just, you know, it's just a fun thing to go back and forth with some of the people that you know, and that's it. I will say, that sucks, TJ. But yeah, I do like it. I gotta get my account up today, and then it was fun while it lasted. Yeah, I mean, you know, would you necessarily trade the same way with a real money account? You know, the odds are probably not. You know, I just find it as fun. You know, I like trade day. I am going to start getting more accounts with trade day. I've never really explored it. Once I'm done with some of these other ones, I have a few already. My comp account's down a little bit. I actually fucked this one up. This is a trade day account. I was up $600 in today, and I forgot to put a TP in, like a fucking moron. I mean, the one good thing I like about them is, so obviously the eval portion sucks because it's like 5 days, 30% consistency. It does suck. I'm not gonna lie. Trade day guy is on here. He can hear my feedback. That part sucks. It's like it's gonna take you, you know, 4 days to at least pass, which is not great. But once you're past, it's the same thing as take profit trader. It's just make as much money as you want. There's no rules except for the news rule, and that's it. You know, it's pretty straightforward. Monet. I don't even know. I don't even know the rules. How's that sound? I didn't really look at the rules. I don't know. I'm just having fun with it. Like I you know, I don't really know. I think it ends at some point. It should end at some point. I don't know. Like, I don't know. Probably at the end of the month, I would assume. But we'll see what happens. It sucks that the competition is now and the price action has been dog shit, but we shall see. I can't believe I didn't hit this. I'm actually kind of annoyed about that. Should have been a banger. That's all that it's about. It's having fun. Like, people who are taking it fucking serious, I'm sorry, man. Like, you're an idiot. You can't take it serious. Listen, you have fun. You shoot the shit with a bunch of other people, and that's it. What do we got going on? I actually think we're going to go target previous low a day. I would not mind taking a short. What is that, 55? I would almost take a short at like down here, and my stop out would be like up here. Dude, I'm going to play differently today. Where's previous? I don't even know what previous day fucking low is. I should have just. Whatever. I'll just keep it like that. I may not even get hit. It may just come up. What up, BK? BK in the house. Yo, I'm not going to lie. If we open how we're supposed to open, I'm going to have another banger fucking day. I'm telling you, this fucking feels like the end of 2021 where you're just making money like fucking every day you're up a lot of money. And then all of a sudden it comes crashing down. That's what this feels like. I'm just telling you. I'm probably going to be talking about it for another month or two because I have a feeling it runs into the end of the year. But it just feels like things are too good in the market. And you have stocks that are like trading at crazy multiples. This, by the way, this AI bubble, it feels like it's starting to pop with the Oracle news. Oracle was, I guess, bought NVIDIA chips and then was like renting them back or some shit. And it was supposed to be great. It's not great. And I just think that that's like the first crack, right? And then something else is going to happen. And then something else is going to happen. And I just think that these are little cracks that are happening in the AI bubble. And then eventually, you know, the market's going to unload. You know, I'm early. This gold is crazy. I contemplated buying it and just holding it in an account and just see what happens. I probably should have. I was going to take like 7 micros and just hold it. Holy shit. Every day you're like, though, like, you know, is this going to be the pullback? I can't now buy it up here. Oh, gold, man. I was looking at some of the other ones. Like, I don't think I'm going to trade natural gas. I was looking at crude. I don't think crude is open all day, though. Like, crude stopped trading. Crude doesn't trade after hours if you look at it, though. I don't like that. Like, crude only trades during the day, which means, I don't know. I'm probably not going to play it. I was just looking at some of the other things I could possibly play. So I drew this out yesterday. I wanted to see us trade into the into this breaker and then decide if we were going to go down or up. We just never got there. Oh. We just never got there. I'm just going to delete it. That's what I was looking for overnight. I actually put a short on at 22, and it came close. It came up to 10, but it never tagged me in. Never tagged me in. That was my entry. I don't think this kind of broke what I was looking for here. I don't want to see it go above the 200. Yo, morning, Coach Fred. Yo, silver is like gold. I think silver had some catching up to do. What's the silver one? Hold on. I'm guessing it's Z, right? If you think about it, silver hasn't really done what gold. I mean, it's going up, but dude, I can't play fucking silver. I can't play silver right now. I'm just gonna stick to what I know. I tried this new indicator out. I don't know what's gonna happen here. Trying a new indicator out. I don't know why it stopped drawing, or maybe it draws again. Is there like a time frame shit? I don't know. Once the market opens, I wonder if it resets itself over here. How do you play the open? What's your strategy? I usually wait 15 minutes, but I might jump in with you this morning. So I'll do it on the screen. I'm just telling you, Chris. What is it? Today's Wednesday. It has just hit 2 days in a row. It normally only wins between 2 and on a good week 4 times a week, right? But you got to remember, I'm going for 7.5 points, and my stop is 5. So if I win 2 times during the week, I break even. If I win 3 times, I'm up $450 in all the accounts. If I win, right? Is that how it works? No, I might even be up more. I'll fucking do the math. Hold on one second. It's 300 every time I lose and 450 every time I win. So if I win 3 times, if it wins 3 times in the week, I'm up 750 in each account for the week. If I get a good week where it wins 4 times, I'm up $1,500. Now, mind you, I'm doing this across usually 5 accounts. But it's already won 2 times this week. So the odds are starting to tilt towards a loser. So I'm just letting you know. Also, you got to remember, YouTube is delayed 3 to 5 seconds. So when you see me enter, I might be out already because sometimes the trades are only 3 seconds. I'm just telling you, you're kind of playing the momentum. That's why if you're going to copy trade, I would never copy trade this. Just keeping it reals. Out of all the things I do, this is the riskiest thing. Oh, man. Oh, baby. PayPal. Push it. Push it, baby. Oh, man. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, I didn't even know you can do that on my fucking... Dude, I didn't even know I could do that on my... I can adjust my tasty trade. Dude, that's crazy. I did. Did you turn it on, Sean? Is that why I always lose? Dude, G Trade. I mean, hold on. I am I'll be, man, why is this so fucking, there we go. Boom, 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 boom. Got 10 more minutes. I'm gonna set my I'm gonna set everything up right now. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, Sean, can I ask you a question though? Um Sean, I'm sending you a message, by the way, in Discord. Can you just look? I don't really know. Um which one? Damn, they just romped this thing. No, I just sent you a thing in Discord. I don't know. I thought it would say real, so I didn't look. Nothing like a good ATM. All right, let's get this fucking party going. Oh, at the bare minimum, this is super cool. You know what I need to do though? I think I need to shut my Ninja off. Actually, my Ninja chart froze. Ninja. Yo, by the way, if anybody uses Ninja Trader, you should probably refresh it every day. Every day you should turn it off and turn it back on. Just an FYI. Like if you're using a copy trader in there, whatever you're doing. I noticed mine fucking freezes the charts. Bro, Andy, that's so easy. Yo, just go 10 contracts. You got it. 10 cons. Be super quick. There we go. Um, I'm just fucking setting this shit up. I'm just setting this shit up. Honestly, I'm not looking for all that much today. This is just fucking chopping around. If you look at the higher time frames, we are just in a massive chop. I think I want to see us trade into this zone and then see what we do here is kind of what I want to see. Oh, all right. Yo, if you send me a message on Discord, the odds are I'm not going to see it. You're better off adding me in the main chat, by the way. Just an FYI. Just throwing it out there. Because somebody sent me a message and I didn't mean to like not get back to you, but I'm keeping it reals. I'm keeping it reals. If you send me a message, I'm probably not seeing it. All right, I'm going to bring this on the main screen and let's see what we got. Let me just make sure I'm in the right fucking account. Yeah, I wasn't even in the right fucking account. There we go. I gotta bring up the chat. Yo, good morning, Steven. What up? What up? Good morning, Scalper. 10 cons will definitely do it. Yo, what up, La Rosa? Slow clap it. A trap? I don't know. I don't take anything that we do. I feel like all of this pre-market is very like algo driven. I don't even love after the very open, I kind of let it sit. I'm not a huge fan of playing like the first couple 15 minutes. It just seems like it's very algo driven. I would so the problem that I'm having right now, and you're going to see it with Quant Tower, is it doesn't always show the candles in the beginning, and it kind of fucks me. You know what I'm saying? Remember, this is 2 days in a row. Most likely this is going to be a loss. That's why I lowered my contracts. Guys. See? Called it. Called it. We broke over. I took it out. I won't play again in this account. Did I take it? Oh no. Oh, fuck me, man. I'm still in. I'm fucking still in. And why didn't the cop... hold on 1 second. I'm still fucking in. Bro. That's fucked. Copy trader didn't work. Fucking dog shit. Yeah, I took a bigger loss than luck. Net I'm still up. But yeah, that was fucking dog shit. And it ended up working out to the upside. Awesome. Awesome. I'm just looking. I would have gotten fucking pinged. Yeah. I hate this shit because it obviously ended up going to the upside, right? It ended up going. It's just I would have taken 10 points to the downside. You know, when we broke over this is when I took it, and then we fucking dumped it. But it is what it is. I am done in these fucking accounts. I'm just trying to think. Shut my quant tower off. Save my fucking memory. But that's it. I just play I just play the momentum, man. That's all I'm doing is playing the momentum out of the gate. I'm not doing anything else. I just try to, and it works. 3 times, 4 times a week. It worked today, but it just swept me out on the bottom. But yeah, the play was to the upside. If you guys held to the upside, awesome. How many minis? I think you can use 4. So this is what I'm looking for right here. Let's see what happens. But yeah, I have accounts that I only do the open in, nothing else. So I just shut them off for the day. They're halfway to pay out. But I built them up only doing the open. That's all I use it for. And then I just shut my quant tower off. I can't believe they swept me out and it fucking ran. All right. We just passed London highs. We're in the zone. We're in that hourly zone that I wanted to see what we're going to do. If this is a short opportunity. I just feel like I'm going to short this and it's going to keep fucking going. London highs are right here at 111. This is the problem with playing all these fucking accounts. I should have been in all these accounts like 10 points ago. You know what I mean? Like if I was copy trading, I should be in all these accounts at this same price. That's the fucking problem with copy trading. Without, I need to use my, I need to set up my copier is what I need to do. Are we going to run out the gate all the way up or is this it? YM is selling off, by the way. YM has been dumping. ES is dumping. I wonder if the ES and YM start turning around and just push the fucking and just push everything up. Or the NQ gets dragged down with it. If the YM and everything starts to turn around, this could be nice. I haven't seen him in ages. Come on, get over 36 and push. Come on, push over 36. Get up. If we can get over 36, you'll probably trade here, and I can at least go to break even. Come on. I don't even know what fucking accounts I'm. Just let that fucking. Yo, that was a good fucking trade. That was a good trade. Yo, I'm trying to think on trade day what the number I have to hit for trade day eval rules. Is it $3,000? I don't actually know. I think it's 3,000. Profit target, it's got to be 3,000, right? Yeah, it is. Okay. Yeah. All right. I'm thinking about just taking it off the starting to break the it's starting to break. Huge short play. Are you in short here? Got a nice little inversion on the 1 minute. The old 1 minute inversion. I guess if you took it short, you'd stop out at what, 40? Actually doesn't look bad. Let's see. I took it with a small size. Let's see what happens. Oh, that's my bad. I don't trust anything before like 9:45, so I'll just go to break even. I'm gonna say YM bounced a little bit, but that just turned down also. I just don't trust this in general for multiple reasons for a short. But it's playing out. See, like this level, I'm definitely fucking worried about that we wouldn't go through. It just fucking bounced it. Come on, keep the momentum going. Give us some fucking follow through, man. Bro, zero follow through. Oh. Just make some, just get a couple bucks back. I don't know. This looks pretty fucking shitty right now, to be honest. This is not the open that I wanted. You got 700 off of YM? Dude. See, like, it's just sloppy. You had a nice little inversion to the downside, and now you're just trading in it again. Like, we haven't gone anywhere since the open. There's no real significant push. I would say my bias is to the upside at this point. I'm going to see if this goes all the way. I grabbed a smaller piece than I normally would in this account, and I just want to see if they let it go. Ah, there we go. See, my stop was just too tight before. Whatever. I got back to break even pretty much, down $15. I could take that. YM popped. Dude, YM just shot up a bunch. Dude, should have held on to that one. Should have held on to that one, Knob. Oh, baby. Whoa, somebody subscribed. TJ. Wait, we have another TJ in here? Yo. TJ, new TJ. Say what's up, man. Yo, is that your burner account? Yo, TJ, is that your burner? Nobody will know. How will they know? Nobody will know. How will they know? Welcome to the stream, TJ. Duck fraud. Duck fraud. Oh, this thing's just going for it. At least we're moving. Bouncing off the old orb right here. Oh man. Is this the sweep back in? Oh, give me it. I don't want to see it go back over this blue line. That's the end for me. I was looking to see if it swept back in to either come down or even possibly all the way back down. It just regains over the orb. I want to see if it's going to go up. I'd like to see a couple more candles right here and then push. I'm not trying another short or anything like that. I'm just going to wait and see. I want to see if it consolidates and pushes out of this. I'm not going to get caught in short and yo-yoed around. YM is dumping. Got a little YM dump going on. Dude, YM is just unloading. Pop back up. Oh, man, this is freaking torture. Yeah, Chris, that's what I'm saying. Like, that's why I don't do it on the stream. It's by the time you see it, I'm out already. Oh, this thing's gonna go for it or what? I kind of like it to the upside. Not going to lie. It's just consolidating right here. And I'm just looking at it. Dude, more of these fucking... I'm just going to take this. This isn't in a funded account, by the way. I just want to let you know. This is not a funded account. This is just a... I'm just risking it for the biscuit. Come on. Give us the fucking pump, man. One time. I want to see it push out of this with some fucking conviction here. Come on. Oh, yeah. Fucking do it. Do it. Just get fucking up. Weak ass fucking action. Oh, is it going to go now? This is a comp account. Do not fucking follow this. That's like the worst entry in the world. Do not follow. Do not follow. I should just fucking get out. Dude, I kind of fucked this whole thing up, but it's just not moving. I'm gonna follow. Yo, it's just not moving how I. It's just slow. It looks like it's big on the screen, but it's really not. See how these candles, these lines are 5. Usually these lines are at least 10. That's how slow we're moving. Damn, Chris, 11 hours. It's awesome that you can do this, though. Boom. Yeah, I'm glad I got out. I got out at the fucking top. I'm not in any accounts, right? No. No. Yo, YM looks like it's about to make new low a day. ES does not look great. Yeah, ES is just hanging. Hanging. NQ is the strongest one out of all of them today. Damn, there you go. 5,200 or 25,200. Bro, that's I was gonna say that's not new all-time highs. That's gonna backfill. I have a feeling they're gonna turn this shit around right here. You have the 10 a.m. turnaround. Watch it trade back to 126 or something. I'm watching. You just banked. I'm glad somebody did. I fucked up the whole morning. I messed it up. Yo, Replicanto did some weird stuff. Send me a picture of send me a picture of your Replicanto and put it in Discord, and I could see if you've done anything different. Yeah, this thing's just off to the fucking races. I was just thinking, if you show me your Replicanto, I'll show you mine. But no, I'll help you out. It's pretty simple though. Oh, what was it? A breaker on what time frame? Well, right here, the breaker and the fair value gap. You got in. I don't even tell me. You got in at like 121. Yeah, right. Is that where you got in? 121 here, or did you trade it early in the day at 9:36? Like, I love to stream, but this is where you miss a lot of stupid. You just miss stuff. I mean, it's just part of the thing. But yeah. Yo, do you use the same script I use? Because I love the coloring on it. I love the orange and it turns to green. By the way, when am I not shaved? Dude, I'm looking good, man. Yo, Fred, actually, I stay shaved all the time, bro. My wife appreciates it. Um, man, this fucking chat just went off the. Oh my god. This thing's just pumping. Fuck, man. I'm such a loser for fucking messing that up. I freaking had it. I had it a couple times. Are we just going to grind up the rest of the day? That'd be awesome. I would take that. I'm probably willing to risk a 5 micros and stop out at 93 here. I get in on this little dip. I want to see it hold 200. I'll add if it, if we get above, I'll add. Yo, the YM is pushing. Bro, that shit is just ripping. Come on, baby. Come on. Just fucking do it. Just do it. Come on. You're not fucking done. You got one more pushing you. One more Big Daddy push. All the way up to 250. See, I could take a payout out of this account today. I could take a payout out of this account, so I don't want to fuck it up. If I don't get stopped out and I get taken out of here, I'm taking a payout. But I'll probably get fucking stopped. Whatever. Oh, it's very risky. I hate I do too, man. It's the grind action, but it is, you got to play small and you just got to you got to get it to go up and then you got to get to break even and then just let it fucking grind. Like that's my only piece of advice is you just kind of let it grind, but this is not what I'm looking to trade. Like, Boom, 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 boom. YM is just fucking on a tear. Holy shit. Yo, what you want to see is a pullback down to this blue line and then the fucking bounce. That would be awesome to me. That is what I'm into. Pull back all the way down. Come on. All right, I'm going to look right now. What was the weird thing that it did? What was the weird thing that it did though? Did it leave a ghost order? So the one thing I've noticed, Marie, is anytime I've used my funded futures, I've always had an issue. I would put the Apex, one of the Apex accounts in the leader and the my funded futures as a follower, just an FYI. That's what I would do. Yeah, so at least if my funded futures triggers an error, it's on the follow account and it's its own problem, and the main account stays fine. I would always run an Apex on the leader account. Yeah, I always run an Apex with as the leader. If I'm not running an Apex as a leader, I run a Take Profit Trader as a leader. I never run my funded futures Tradeify. It just has fucking issues. You know why it has issues? It's got something with like max contract. There's a lot of weird stuff. Like, you know how they only allow you to have like one mini? Sometimes when you buy with one mini and then you have a bracket order, it will trigger errors. Yeah. Yep. So oh, look at you at having a good day. That's a lot of LUs, Marie. That's a lot of LUs. I mean, and some of that's a PA account. So you're definitely stacking. You're stacking. I will tell you, like, if you got that move off of that, I would almost be done for the day. Like you would have just grabbed, I don't know, 70 points or so. Yeah, anytime you use Replicanto, never use My Funded Futures as a leader account. The problem is they have restrictions on how many contracts you could have. So you're better off using an account that has the ability for more contracts. So if there's ever an error, it's only on that one account and doesn't go through the whole thing. Man, I already feel like this is going to be a I'll tell you what, I just didn't take advantage of it. I got in a couple times and I just didn't fucking hold it. But dude, am I going to take this? This is a tight stop, by the way. I'm not leaving empty-handed. All right. I think it was 90 bucks. 90 bucks. Oh, dude, I didn't even realize I have this other master account. They sent me an email about it. I didn't even know I had it still. I thought I blew this like fucking ages ago. I got an email from Bulenox saying that I haven't traded my master account and I need to make a trade within the next 2 days or I'm going to lose the account. I might just take this off just to get the trade in. I'll just reevaluate. Yo, Garen, you don't like Replicanto? I never have an issue with it. I never have an issue with it. Yo, I didn't even know it was a week, Kevin. Yo, I'm just gonna take it off. I'll wait. I'll just wait, but I don't like the fact that we're not getting volume to the downside. Yeah, I didn't know that. Also, I got an email. I have 2 days to place a trade. I was like, that's so crazy. It's just moving so slow. It's moving slow, and you can see the stochastics are way down already, and we haven't really gone very far. So that's what's worrying me about it, where eventually the oversold position is going to come back. I wouldn't be surprised if it comes down to like maybe this green line and pops. Should have held it. Should have held it. I don't know, man. It's fucking weird today. I'm just watching this fucking slow. Such a weird day. Yeah, I didn't know that. Maybe it's just the master accounts, Kevin. You had error message and ghost. I get error messages when I run too many things on it. I think they're going to have a near-term bounce here. Let's see what happens. Push it. 75 would be the test of the 4-hour FVG. Let me see. Ah. Dude, I kind of like that. See, this is why I like the chat, right? I probably wouldn't have even pulled up. I do like the 4-hour, but you look at it at night. I would not have pulled that up. Oh yeah, look, you have an hourly one too. Yeah, 72. Now you can trade into it and then trade back out is what you want. You want to come into it and then out. Yo, that's crazy that they just passed the blame around. They do the blame game. Yo, it's your fault. It's your fault. It's your fault. Bro, this is so slow. Do I have any more coffee in here? I do. Yo, I started my fast today. I'm not eating until I'm doing one of those 48-hour fasts. And depending on how 48 hours goes, I might go a little bit longer. But I don't think I'm eating dinner until Thursday night. Thursday night is going to be my next meal. So if I'm agitated on the stream tomorrow, you'll know why. Bro, wealth charts. Wealth charts. Yeah, you don't want to go on tilt, Steven. Like, listen, I'm just going to be honest with you. I fucked this trade. I fucked up. The morning didn't go my way. I got swept out. So I missed that. My copy trader didn't work in the morning. I lost extra money. And then I kind of fucked this stuff up. You just got to let it roll off, man. You can't dwell on it and be like, oh man, like you just got to say, hey, like wait until the setup, or wait until you see something else. Don't just jump in at anything. I could say I fucked this up. I did. I mean, I really wasn't paying attention to everything, and I missed out. You know. Oh, you did it for a week? Wait. You didn't eat for a week, Marie? Like you went 5 or 7 days of not eating? The longest I've ever done is 50 hours. That's been my. It's kind of weird because I do a lot of physical activity. Like I'll go play sports. I go to the gym. So like last night, I didn't eat. I ate at 6:30, and then I went and played ball last night, and I pitched. So I was sweating and everything else. And then like I didn't eat. Haven't eaten this morning. That's normal. I skipping lunch is no big deal. But like I might go for a run later on today, and then I'll go to the gym tomorrow, and I'm still not eating. I start to feel like, I don't know. I start to feel weird. I got some vitamins you could take that don't break the fast. They say it's super good for you. That's the only reason I'm doing it. It like your body eats up all the bad cells. Um, that's what got me into it. Maybe in like April. Oh, look at this bullshit. The snake diet? I don't know what that is. Um, but yeah, it's one of those things that oh, what the fuck is this? StubHub options alert. Let's see what this is. StubHub. Let's see. Damn, somebody pounded the fuck out of StubHub. I just want to see what this looks like. Dude, that's crazy. Boom. Yo, this is going to go for it. Let's see, 96. I like this. I would like to see us recheck 71. I just don't know if we're going to get it. StubHub, baby. StubHub went public recently. Oh, I'm not doing it for losing weight, TJ. I work out every day. I can't really. I'm not going to be like, I'm not losing weight. I'm not like, if I lost. Yeah, I can't really lose weight. I'm pretty much where I'm at. Yeah, I have aminos. That's exactly what I have. The body health aminos is what I got. I'm going to have them probably at lunchtime. But yeah, I don't feel like you really lose weight though. Like honestly, like you lose all the water. Like if you're not drinking a ton of water, like you'll lose that. And I'm sure you lose weight because you're not eating for the day and it's burning fat and whatnot. But like if you just go back to eating how you were, you're going to gain it right back. You know, I feel like if you don't make a change, it's just whatever. Yo, you got a little lower high right here. Is this? Oh my God. What do I want to do here? Previous week high. I would say that if we start selling off, I might take a short and my stop would be like up here. Let's see what happens. I might add I'm going to add some. I'm just going to add on a little pop. I'm just waiting to add. This is, to me, this isn't a DCA because I want 10 micros. So I'm just not buying in yet. I'm just kind of waiting. All right, let's see what happens here. So see, this is a pivot point right here. This one, 214. I probably don't want to see a close above that. I want to see the rejection right here and continue down. We're under the pivot point. Not a fan of that. Come on. Get below 210. If we sell below now 206, I'm going to move my stop to 16. Because I probably don't want to trade above 16 at this point. You know what I'm saying? I want to see the rejection off the pivot point and down. I don't want to go up because I feel like if we go up and we're going to hold the pivot point, it will eventually push back up. Stochastics just turned up, but let's see what happens. I want to get under 210, which would inverse that little gap that was created. Yo, ES broke the IB. I didn't even see. I used to have the ES up on a split chart. I liked it. No, I'm going to get fucking stopped. I'm okay if I get stopped. The risk reward is there. If I get stopped, the risk reward was there because if this is the high of the day, you're going to trade way down. So you're risking 13 points to possibly make 60 on the downside back down to at least the top of the opening range. That's how I'm looking at this trade in general. Like the risk reward is just there, but not saying to take it. I'm not, I'm just saying I'm just talking my thought process out when I take these trades. I know I'm talking to myself, but this is just kind of what I'm thinking about when I take it. You have this pivot point right here. If we reject it and come down, I think we can travel a ways. You don't want to close. I don't want to see a close above this pivot point. I want to see a rejection. I'm not saying it's going to be the best trade. I'm just, I'm just trying to put some probabilities in my favor here. I don't like that there's no continuation to the downside. It's almost like volume has just kind of died. YM is just hanging out. ES is starting to roll a little bit. ES just put a nice red candle in. What's interesting is that the 1 minute? On ES, this candle actually made a new high, and you did not on NQ, which is interesting. Yeah, well, that's the problem, LaRosa. There's no news. This is a no news market. You don't have a lot of news coming out because of the government shutdown. So, you're dealing with this chop shit market is what you're dealing with. I mean, I've been talking about it. I think we're going to just kind of chop around until you do get some fucking news here. News here? I didn't get the best entry on this. So, like, if you want to take it off at 25,200. Round number might provide support. You can always take some off. I should fucking take half off. Bounce on the 50. Come on. I'm being a fucking greedy fuck here. Let me take half off. I'm making this a free trade. So I took half off, $55, and I'm keeping this to that. Whatever happens, happens. But it's a free trade, and I made $55. I'm being stingy in this account because I can get a payout in this account today, and I don't want to fuck. I don't want to fuck it up. So I'm not against getting back in, by the way. I'll just say that. I am not against getting back in. Fuck it. Fuck it. YOLO. I want to see them just sweep it down. Take out fucking stops. Nah, they're going to fucking bounce it. Are you going to bounce it? Don't bounce it. Dump it through. I'm not loving it. Stochastics are turning up here. Just watch out. Stochastics are turning up. I'm going to get water real fast. Just watch out. You're on the 50 moving average and the stochastics are turning up. I'm back. I'm fucking. Holy shit. Come on. This is just an eval. I'm trying to I need to stack some fucking coin in it. Come on. I think you're gonna have a couple candles here, and then you're gonna roll. I think you're gonna have a couple candles here, and then it's gonna roll. I'm just waiting. I'm gonna probably hit it with this account. I'm just fucking waiting. No, just roll. So you're severely oversold on stochastic. So I'm just kind of waiting it out a little bit. You know, what you don't want is you don't want the pop back to you don't want it to go back over 203. See, it worked off a little bit on the 1 minute on the stochastics. Now you want it to, now it's got a little juice. You want it to just flood down. It didn't even ping me in yet here. Dude, where's the fucking momentum, though? Dude, there is no fucking push, though. Where's the volume? Where's the fucking volume, man? Bro, this no fucking... Yo, you're in 15 minis? That's fucking awesome. Bro, there's just no vibe. Like, where's the fucking, like, the push? I want to see the push. Give me, like, fucking... some like real selling pressure. There's just no fucking selling pressure. I mean, there's just I mean, listen, we made money, right? Like you should be up, but I mean, fuck, man. I thought we'd get a little more juice out of this bitch than this. I mean, this is crazy. So, are you not entertained? I mean, we made money, or if I made money on it, but such a duty fucking price action. Like, bro, that's an old order. I don't even know where the fuck that got in. Yo, lucky I went back to this fucking screen. I didn't even know I was in that. Yo, where did it get in? It just got in right here? What was that? I must have put that in when we were over here somewhere. Dude, that's crazy. So you got the 4-hour FVG and the 1-hour FVG right around 72. So watch yourself. I mean, smash the fucking buttons if you got a little bit of it. Smash some confetti. But yeah, I wish it was I wish we got more of a faster move down. Like, see how this kind of like went off and you kind of like actually dropped? I was looking for like a real like drop down to here, and it's just the volume just isn't really pushing it. Man, that was an awesome trade though. But yeah, if you go on the it's such an ugly 1-hour candle. That's so fucking ugly. Just watch out. You're literally sitting on this right here. I'll actually take it. I'll take the 1-hour FVG. I'm not copy trading this or anything. I'm just grabbing one in this one account. And all it is if we tag the top of the 4-hour inversion and hourly, and I just want to see if it holds it. I just want to see if it touches it and bounces right off. The 1-hour candle's ugly, though. You're probably going to get paid, Texas. Oh. Bro, somebody literally just messaged me on Twitter and wrote, I don't know who it is. I don't know who it is. Dude, I'm not looking for a long, I'm just looking for a good time here. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it, little buddy. Little buddy, you can do it. You're not gonna fucking. There you go. Quick $170 in the funded account, dude. Oh well. Oh, it was down a couple bucks. I was like, wait, what? Was that all commissions? You could do it, little buddy. Yeah, I mean, it made sense. It made sense on the higher time frames. Listen, I mean, that's fucking awesome. $148. That was all I was looking for. Now it can continue going down for you. I don't know if it will, but pull out game. Your pull out game's got to be strong, Texas. You can't stay in too long, otherwise your account's going to go to zero. Definitely don't want to stay in too long. I'll grab it. This is an eval. Dude, you got a nice little fucking 85 would be my stop out. I'm going to take this in this eval. Yo, I just took it in the wrong fucking eval. So fucking stupid. Why did I just do that? All my accounts end with 6. It's kind of fucking. All these accounts end with 6. It's so annoying when I'm trying to flip from one account to the next. The FOMO is real. So I grabbed this. I'll show you why I grabbed this. I mean, I show you guys. Look, see, I grabbed it on this 1 minute inversion right here. I know that we had the 1 hour inversion lower, and then I took it off of this 1 hour, off of this 1 minute inversion to the upside, and my stop was the bottom of this candle. Super fucking. I'm probably going to get stopped out on this account. Yeah. This thing looks turdish. No. I didn't get a chance to move my stop up. I was fucking doing that, but it was a good play. I thought it was a good play. Boom, 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 boom. Higher, lower highs. Yeah, lower highs, but I'm gonna be real. It doesn't look that bearish to me, but I don't know. Just doesn't look that bearish. It just kind of seems like now it's going to get back up into this range. Let's see if they push out of this consolidate. So this will probably consolidate here for like another couple minutes, and then you're going to want to see them push it up and out. Little consolidation action. Come on. Come on, push it out. Don't do me dirty. Push it out. Push it. Come on. Don't do me dirty here. Let's go. Everyone's watching. Don't make me look bad. Every single day, AD. Only if this goes up. Only if this hits my TP. If this hits my TP at 24, we'll do it. How's that sound? Everybody. I don't even know what accounts I'm in. I'm going to push this up. I don't fucking trust this. I don't trust this, but if it goes, it goes. If it goes, it goes. Come on, baby. Whatever. I'm out. It's just taking way too long. I just want to make sure I'm fucking out in all my accounts. I'm out, though. I got a couple bucks. Can't complain, right? Can't complain. Want to roll some numbers? Some random number game? We can look for some randoms. You ready for the random game? All right, random numbers. You guys ready? 1, 2. Random number game. 1, 2, 3, start. Go. Oh man, I don't fucking know. All right. It's 1 through 50. Oh my god, people are super fucking close. Dude, it's between 30 and 50. Yo, Sean just got it at 39. Sean C in the house. Smashing it. I'm almost positive Sean's the first one to get it. Control F. Let's see. 39. Sean C is the only one that got it. Boom. There you go, man. Right to the ball sack, Sean. Yo. I'm just looking for honestly, I bet you we see 271 today. How's that sound? Does that sound crazy? Does that sound crazy to you that we see 271? I'm gonna do something in this. I got a funded account right here. I'm gonna put this at 271, right? I'm gonna put it at 270. I'm probably not gonna touch it. I just want to see more or less. This is how I've been liking to trade more. And I'm curious. I'm right a lot of the times. But I just don't fucking hold it, right? So yo, this isn't the account I'm holding. I'm just trying to. I'm going to trade within, but I'm going to play around. Come on, baby. Boom, 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 boom. Cove, do you ever enter with limit orders? Sometimes. Sometimes. I do more at night. I find them limited. I don't like to be limited. I'll risk it with this account too. This is a this is just a fucking funsy account. If we can get over 30, I mean, you're probably going to go. Come on. Come on, give us the pump. Boom, baby. Come on. I might just take this off because this is a oh, I actually need $200 in this account. Fuck me, man. I'm going to take this one off. I'm just trading within it. Wait. Did I just take it off on the wrong one? Oh no, I did. I'm right. I'm right. I thought I fucked it up. I thought I fucked it up, but I did not. No, come on. Work yourself over 32. Boom, 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 boom. Man, I'm just holding. I'm just holding. Yo, Adil, I think you're behind, dude. I think you're Yo, you're way behind on the stream, dude. Nah, over 32. I'm probably gonna over at this point, over probably 22, I'm gonna move to break even. If we get a higher high right here, I'm probably gonna go to break even. And then I'll just let it move. Motherfucking alarm. Come on. Oh. Oh, motherfucker. Bro, I don't even know what just fucking happened there. Yo. Dude, that was there we go. What do you know? We're back in business. We're back, baby. We did it. We did it, Joe. Come on. Just re-logged in and you are short or long, or why did I enter? All right, hold on 1 second, G-Trade. 2 seconds, I'll show you. My fucking alarm, I'm about to punch. All right. So I'm going to explain why I got in, right? So basically, on the higher time frames, I made a whole video about that. On the higher time frames, I'll just go to the 4 hour. See how we have an inversion here? After you have an inversion, usually you come down and test it. We actually did test it. Within this candle, we tested it. We were up, we came back, we tested it. Now my TP I'm looking for is technically it should be 274, 275. It's kind of where I would like to go. You know, that's kind of what I'm looking for. This is a 4 hour chart. Just remember that. You know, so it could move around a lot. So you don't get an account, you know. I'm using an accounts that have, like, this one has end of day drawdown in it. Well, that one does, but this one has end of day drawdown. And if we can get over 20, I'll move to break even. And then whatever fucking happens. right? Bro, you got to learn to go to the bathroom at the desk. I go to the bathroom when I'm on the stream so I don't have to get up and leave. I just go right here. Come on, get the fuck over to 20 so I can go to break even, and then I don't even give a fuck what happens then. Get over 20. What was my entry? It's this blue line. I was entered at this one is entered at 214. This one was entered at 208. So, all right, I'm at break even right now. So, I can't fucking lose. I can't lose, right? What T numbers stop? I move my stop to break even. So it's a free trade. Listen, everyone should be up right now. If you have to be up. We're above. If you want, take profit right now. If you want, take profit right now. Everyone is up. Everyone is up. I mean, if you're not up, I don't know, Look, I'm going to move my stops up because if we reject up here, I would kind of be pissed if I didn't move to some profits. Right? So now I'm just moving my stops up because I want us to hold this blue line, right? By the way, I walked everybody through this whole trade, right? Everyone got walked through this shit. Dude, not only a banger, I literally walked through every fucking step of this trade. There's not one piece of this trade that I did not walk you through, like in real time. Right? Everybody in the chat agree? Yo, I'm done for the day. Peace out. Would you just go long, Texas? Yo, if you smashed on this, hit the fucking like button on the video and smash the confetti. Smash the confetti. Bro, the whole thing was walked through. It was I couldn't have walked through it. I'm trying to think what the consistency rule on this account is. I'll probably be fine if I get taken out at 70. Yo, later, man. Yo. Bro, I mean, I want everybody to win here. That's what it's about. I'm just fucking grinding. I'm getting super tight in case it pulls back. So if it pulls back, I'm out. Everybody made fucking money, right? Everybody made money. Boom, boom, boom. Guys, that was fucking. Look at that shit. Yo, everyone's so quiet in the chat. You guys tired?
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
All right. That was a kind of a layup. It was just a higher time frame play. The ultimate TP is 70. I think we probably even get there. How's that sound? I think we can get there. Yeah. I'm not touching this account. Fuck that. I'm done. That's that challenge. That's that competition account. Yo, what's for lunch? Yeah, Ellie, it was 5 micros. I traded it in my my TPT Pro account. I'm up $426 off of that trade. Five micros, $426. You don't need a lot of fucking. You don't need a lot to make a lot. You guys know that, right? I'm probably done in that account for the day too. You definitely don't need a lot of contracts to make a lot of money. Yo, we gonna bounce this shit right off of here? Let's see what happens. This is just an eval, and I'm just fucking went not all in, but I'm only doing it in this one account. My bias, so you got to remember, my overall bias is still up, right? My bias is up until we hit 270. So it's a reasonable spot for a bounce. It was the top of the imbalance. You know, I'm willing to take a shot at that. I'm not risking a whole lot. I'm risking less than 10 points. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. But I'm not doing it in a funded account. The funded trade is done already, right? The funded trade, we made the money. We're done. Now I'll work on some of the other accounts, and we'll see what happens. Unless I see like a really good trade. What's my quantity of tick risk? I just risk about 10 points on a eval. I'll risk hundreds. On a funded account, I'm probably risking $200 to $300. I'll trade micros or minis. On a funded account, I'll trade anywhere between 3 micros to a mini, and on evals, I mean, I'll trade all the way up to 7 or 8 minis. 10 points is 40 ticks. It is, yes. Yep, 40 ticks. You got to remember, when I look at this chart, if this was a 1 minute chart and you saw this go, you would be targeting the top, right? If this was a 1 minute chart. So same thing, same play. Act as if it's a 1 minute chart and I'm just targeting the wick. That's all I'm doing. You're playing the same shit as you would on the 1 minute, but it's a higher time frame. That's how you got to look at it. You play the same thing. You play the same thing as if it was a 1 minute chart, but it's not, obviously. But, you know, would I enter long in my funded account up here? Probably not, you know, probably not. Mohammed, can you still enter what? What are you wondering if you could enter? The trade? I mean, I'm not giving any advice. You could do anything you want. I'm just in on an eval. Let's see how my freaking Tasty is doing today. Sign me out. Ooh. Damn. Tasty be cranking. Tasty's up over $2,000. Just seeing what's going on. PayPal, told you. PayPal and Path. Yo, PayPal's got that fucking ad platform they're rolling out. You gotta remember, PayPal owns Venmo. Woo, TJ. I am personally in a long. Yo, what firm, TJ? Where are you at that you're 179 away? Dude, that's sweet, man. That's real nice. Get paid. Apex. Dude, I'll be honest with you. I wouldn't even worry about getting $2,000, man. Just fucking flip and get a payout. Dude, don't. The worst thing you could do is I have to make that money for a $2,000 payout. I would just flip and request the fucking money, man. Who cares if you're $179 less? Bro, take the money. Believe me, I've been there. I'm just saying, I've been there, man, where you're like, yo, I want to get more money. It's not worth it. Just take the money out. You still got yourself $1,800. Think about how long it takes you to make $1,800. Going for max payout. Oh. Captain, the overall trend, I'm not saying to get out or whatever, but if you look at the higher time frames, you know, how I look at things is I would probably be leaning bullish until you get a definitive close back under this imbalance. And then I would say, okay, like, you know, things are starting to turn around. Oh, crack my fucking shoulders and back. Oh man, my eyes. But yeah, you know what's crazy is when we touched the top of the 4-hour fair value gap, we bounced right there. I mean, that was the bottom. Yo, $45 is nothing, man. That's an even day. I would say you're even on the day at $45. Got to ask yourself, does $45 make you holla? YM is pushing. Yeah, I mean, you just gotta. I just look at the, whatever you're looking at. This is what's telling the story. The story is told on the higher time frames. If the higher time frames are bullish, we're probably going to go up. If it's bearish, we're probably going to go down. The higher time frames is what tells the story, not the lower. The lower is just the noise in between the higher. I mean, you got to assume, like I was saying, I'm in YM right now. Come on. How about them Yankees last night? You watched that shit? Yankees were down 6-1 and fucking came back. A lot of people like the YM better than NQ. Man, it's getting close. It's getting close. I'll tell you what. I mean, I'm out. I mean, the play already happened. I am going to need $200 in these accounts. Otherwise, they're not going to count them as trading days. So I need to press this for over $200 each. That's the only sucky part about fucking trading with them. Yo, anybody you think the Yankee Doodles can come back? Yo, I'll tell you what. That's a huge momentum switch. They were down 2-0 in the series. Game 3 starts off. They're down 6-1. And then they come back and win. Also, Blue Jays are throwing their bullpen today. And Yankees are throwing that kid Cam Schittler. I'll be honest with you. He looked fucking amazing last game. If he throws another game like that, This is probably going to go to game 5. Probably going to go to game 5. Just saying. Yo, what up, Tyler? Yo, I mean, it's gotta though. Judge is hitting good. You know, that's a huge momentum change. When you're down in the series 2-0 and then you're losing 6-1 and fucking win, man, it's a big, and like I said, Jays are throwing bullpen today. Bro, that's wild. I almost got one. Next time they're 90 off, I'm going to get some. When they're 90 off, I'm going to get some. Yeah, it's not easy because it's what is it, 20K and $7,500 drawdown. Hard to just YOLO. Yo, if you have non-farm payroll coming up though, I would YOLO for like the first $8,000 probably. Do like 35 minis on fucking news. Get like a good chunk of it done and then trade for real the rest of it. Yeah, I mean, I'm telling you, I think we're going to hit 25,270. 25,270 is my final TP here. Yeah, I mean, dude, that's crazy. I normally like on evals to do some crazy shit out the gate to make up ground, and then I start going at it. On 50Ks, I try to make like 1,000 out the gate, and then I'll figure it out from there. On 250s, I try to get like 3,000-4,000, not 250s, 150s. Yo, I might, I need to make $100 or they're not going to count this as a trading day. Come on. Come on. Give me my fucking trading day. Yo, I was in NBIS when it was like $40. I don't even know where it's at now, but I was in it at like, I think it was like $40. Are you kidding me? Yeah, NBIS was a big one. TEM was another AI play. TEM was owned by Pelosi, was an AI Pelosi play. It's around 120 now. Yeah. They had news with Microsoft. Microsoft is using them for something. For whatever this data service is or whatever the fuck it is. I think Microsoft actually invested in them, like a small piece. And when I say small piece, it's probably, millions and millions, but I think Microsoft owns a small piece of them, and then they use them for whatever, their services. Bro, I need to make, I don't know, I think I need a little bit more. I'm trying to figure out how much I need to make it $200. See, I mean, that's why I like trading stocks, because there's like stories behind it and you know about real world events and things like that. You know, like that's why I like that aspect of trading. Rather than just playing the charts. I don't know why it's up. I didn't even look into it because it was up so much. I was like, fuck it. I'm going to break even. Whatever happens, happens. I want it to bust out and fucking give me my money. Give me my fucking money. Boom. I got it. I got it, baby. We did it. We did it, Joe. Yo. We did it. I got my $200.
We did it. We did it, Joe.
Oh, man. Now, they count it as a trading day, and I need 8 trading days to get paid. So that's why I need the $200 in the accounts, if anybody was on the stream wondering. The big move has happened already. You know, my final TP would be up here. Man. There we go. There we go. Dude, everybody on here should be having a pretty good day. Where did you learn to trade? You seem to be pretty darn consistent. Okay. So I got this magic coin that I flip off the stream, and it tells me to go long or short. Shh, don't tell anybody. All right, so how I learned. So I learned, I guess we'll just go into futures. Futures, I just kind of, so what's crazy is I have a base trading style from trading stocks and options, right? I at some point day traded options, which was a wild fucking ride that I was in. If you want to have years taken off your life, day trade options. It's consistent. It's consistent, TJ. Like they'll ban you. Not ban you, they won't pay you. You just got to get over it. And then I just kind of picked up little things through said he schooled me. Ron, he learned how. I taught him how to trade, Ron. I literally brought him into the market. I grabbed him by his little tushy and showed him the way. I was like, listen, this is how it's done. That's a true story, though. I got him into the market and I showed him how to trade. And then he, you know, kind of does his own thing. But, you know, as you could see by the trade day contest, who is number one? If anybody's watching. Yo, so I was trading weeklies for a while. I was trading weeklies and I was making and losing and making a lot of money at once. The swings were crazy. You know. Schooled me. Nah, Ron, I talk to him every day for over an hour on the phone. That's a true story. Me and him have been best friends since 2011. Like real life best friends, not like best friends like, I know this guy, He was in my wedding party. How's that sound? I have my 3 brothers in my wedding party, one friend that I grew up with, and him. Yeah. That's it. So yeah, I day traded options. I just learned a lot of things, and then I picked up things that other people are doing. He keeps trying to play footsies. Dude, I like that, Tyler. I let him do it. Yo. But yeah, man, I don't know. You pick up little things from everybody. Like I've seen stupid fucking trades that some guy you never seen does. I was like, yo, that's pretty cool. And then I've looked at the ICT shit, and I think that's pretty fucking cool. I knew a guy from trading options that used the 34 EMA, and I liked it. Dude, I'm hoping to get a bunch of free shit by winning that contest for the community, by the way. I should be number 1 again tomorrow. At some point, I'm going to have to put the fucking gas pedal down, though. I'm just being honest. That's when it gets interesting. But yeah, man. I would say that dude, a lot of gray hairs, Captain. I posted the photo on YouTube. Let me see if I'll fucking dig it up in 2 seconds. Bro, I had a day I made over $50,000 of like real money, not prop money, like my own cash was on the line with weeklies, and I was up over $50,000 when the day ended. I have a ton of screenshots from when I was trading big time weekly options. And somebody asked me one time what my biggest day was. And I was like, man, I wonder if I got screenshots, and I went back on my computer and found it. Oh yeah, here it is. No, that wasn't it. That was me making 8,300 the other day. And let me see if I can find it. I don't know when I posted it. It had to be earlier than this. It was pretty cool to look at, to be honest with you. But I'll tell you what. Here it is. Wow. This is going to be my biggest day ever. I don't know why it's not fucking showing bigger. This is a total. I don't know why the total button's not showing. But this is in one day. And you could kind of see it. It was $17,000 on Royal Caribbean, Tesla, SPY. This is all in one day. Obviously, it was during COVID, if you were wondering. It was during the COVID drop. Yeah, TJ. Well, it makes sense that we're also best friends. So we kind of fucking, we're kind of we're not the same person, but we're very similar. I will say, if you find the streams amusing, you should watch us both at the same time on shit. You should be on our fucking phone calls. fucking, it's just, I laugh all the time. Yeah, but I come from that world, the options world. After COVID, yo, Sean, we're both friends. Yo, what up, friend? But yeah, I would say that I came from that world and I stopped doing it in the end, towards the end of 2021. Yeah. Towards the end of 2021, I can picture when I did it actually. So the market started to take a dump and I had COVID at the same time. And like, it was weird because I wasn't sick from COVID, but I didn't lose my taste. I lost my appetite. And I was just kind of like, I don't know. I was like I was feeling weird. Like I wasn't hungry and everything tasted salty to me. Like I would have, I don't know, I could have anything. And I was like, man, this is fucking salty. Like, why is this salty? So everything was salty. And then I had a bad fucking week. And why I had COVID, I had a bad week. And I was like, man, I'm fucking done with this weekly options. I was like, if I was ever going to be done, now is the time to be done. It was one of these, it was probably, I'll tell you exactly when I was done. It was right around here. So what happened was the market dumped. I lost money. We came back. And I remember I made a lot of it back. And then, no, it was right here. I was done. Yeah, I was done. I had COVID in February. It was probably one of these weekly candles, and I was done. Maybe this is what I was thinking about when we dumped and I made some of it back. And then we dumped again. And I was like, man, I feel like shit. Like I haven't eaten. Everything tasted salty. And I was like, you know what? I'm done buying options and I'm going to go to selling premium. And I was like, let me take a step back. And this is what this run up is what it feels like right now. That's what this feels like. So what do you look for? What are you looking for take profits? Like when I look for TP levels, I'm looking on the left to see other highs. I'm looking, when I look for a TP level, if I get in down here, like I'm looking to maybe take it, on one of these wicks, my TP, and then move up. I want to move my stops up. My goal is to get to break even as fast as I can and to take out my first third or half off the table where I know I locked in profit and now I can't lose on the trade. And then whatever happens, fucking happens. You already got some money and you can't lose on the trade. That's how I like to trade. Get to break even and take some profit off early. Usually I like to take a third off. So I go in, I don't know, say I go in 9 micros. I sell 3 micros for like $50, move the rest to break even. And worst comes to worst, I have $50 in my pocket and I can let this other trade move around. But I'm jumping off. I'm not even eating lunch. I got to do a couple of things during lunchtime. And I will be back at 2 o'clock. We're going to do, we'll do the giveaway. We'll hang out. I just need a breather. I've been on here since like 9 and, I'm just going to take a little breather to myself and whatnot. So I will see you at 2 o'clock. If you want to support the stream, use code CoveTrader below. If you're looking for any deals, that's all the prop firm deals. or come in the Discord. I'll probably pop on the Discord in a little bit on voice. I'm on voice on the Discord early. So I might jump on there in about an hour if you want to hang out. All right. If not, I'll see you guys at 2. And that's it. Peace. Enjoy. Don't do any stupid trades. We just had a massive bang.